It's time for another good idea, bad idea. Good idea.
Rebecca, what's wrong? Are you tired again?
Yes, dear. Quite tired.
Go ahead and take a nap. When you wake up, we'll go down to the waterfall and swim.
That sounds lovely.
Maybe you shouldn't do that. I mean, since you're so tired, you might not be able to get back up.
That's the idea.
Please get up. If you're sick, we'll find a vet and get you medicine. Rebecca.
I'm not sick, child. I'm just old.
But we can take you to the preserve and Joma will take good care of you.
No one needs to take care of me, Eliza. I have raised a lot of calves who are now raising calves of their own. I've been head of the herd for more seasons than I can count. And my time has come.
Please, Rebecca, don't go.
Now.
I just met you. I don't want to say goodbye.
Then we won't. Didn't we have a lovely day today?
Yes, but...
Shh. Tell me about it again.
Well, we went swimming and picked flowers, and we rode all over the savannah.
How wonderful. You remember?
I'll never forget today, or you. And neither will my father.
Such a good man. Thank you for reuniting me with my old friend.
Rebecca?
Bad idea.
Emmerich? It's all right, old friend.
In the blink of an eye.
In the end, what matters isn't how long we've lived, but how fully we've lived. The good we've done, the friends we've made, the love we shared along the way.
I'm sorry I didn't get you to the garden.
It's the journey, Lionel. Remember that.
When I grow up, I want to be like you, Lionel.
Don't you recognize your old friend? You're not the boss of me, so don't tell me what to do!
With so many great adventures ahead of us, we still have a chance to make our marks.
Can you feel it, Lionel? Do you know what this is?